Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see operation requested not supposed by hardware stage optimizer error 0x8900002A. Solution for this error is so easy guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator. Click yes. In this you need to type chk dsk chk dsk space slash r. Press enter guys. chk dsk cannot run because the volume is use another process. Would you like schedule the volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? You need to press Y and press enter. The volume will be checked next time the system restarts. Cut this and go to restart menu and click on restart. That's how I want to tell you guys this process. You do not skip this process. You do not press any key on your keyboard guys until this process will done. That's it for today's video. Hope this tutorial will work for you. Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you.